So today we are going to start a video about the introduction about PPAP. What is PPAP? What is the latest version of PPAP we are using now? So lecture 1. People belongs to you, the suppliers, generally using in automobile sector, in the confirmation that supplier planning and process is sufficient enough to meet the customer's continuous expectation of quality product. Means we are maintaining a record of process. So this is the old process before PPAP. What the supply chain process? Customer is giving PO to suppliers. Suppliers start production, performance inspection activities they are doing, supply product with inspection report, not with process report. So there's a problem. What's the problem? When employers get changed, suddenly they don't know what the process. So there is a chances of mistake. There is no record of process. So after that, we initiated in 1993 a PPAP. So first we'll go. What is a PPAP? PPAP is used in automobile supply chain for establishing confidence in supplier and their product process. PPAP mainly stands to reduce risk prior to product or service release. So initially developed by AIAG, Auto Industry Action Group, which was founded in 1982 based on the software. In 1993, with the input of the US Big Three, the companies like General Motors, Ford Motors, and Fiat, they initiated a PPAP documentation for their suppliers. So right now, AIAG 4th edition, June 1st, 2016, we are using as a latest version of PPAP. So after PPAP, what the process happens? Customers is giving a PO to suppliers. What the suppliers doing now? Analysis of all critical parameters and discuss about the buyer to take necessary action, establishment, process, start production. After that, what they are doing? Inspection as per drawing performance, SPC, MSA, material test, performance test, and all. Then the sample from production lot with supporting documents of PPAP. Now they are approving to customer. So let's suppose that what are the documentation we are doing in PPAP. So there are total 18 documents in PPAP. So first one by one we will discuss about it. So now we are going through as a summary of that. What are the documents we are using? First of all, design record with all specifications. On that we are maintaining bill of materials. On that BOM, all material, what are the in single project, what are the child parts we are going to use, taste standards in drawing. If you go through the small notes, they're written like standards, we have to use IS 2017, like that. So many standards again. So we have to get that standards, have or not. Second, engineering change note, ECN, or we are calling as a customer engineering approval. Generally, here what we are doing, drawing, suppose that some dimensions are given, but we are unable to achieve, we need to change something. We are changing some dimension, so we are taking approval from our customer that we are going to give like that. I'll see you the formats what we are going in next video. Next is our DFMEA, design failure mode and effect analysis. Generally, suppliers we are not doing DFMEA. It's about the who is doing the designing and all. They are only doing. But here we are maintaining what are the ANSYS, like these are the things. So DFMEA we are calculating. Next is we are making process flow diagram. Here PFD. Here what we are doing, what are the processes going on. First material will come, then it will go to supplier, it will what the operation will come, what the output after that plating, or what the process will do. I'll show you the formats in next videos. So next is our process failure mode and effect analysis, PFMEA. Same as design failure mode we are doing for designing, here we are doing for our what suppliers is doing. So in that we are maintaining what are the chances of failures which can cause. Accordingly, in failure mode, what we are writing, we are going to control plan. After that, we are making a control plan. How we can control our failure modes? We are making a plan to how to control that. We are going to make a gauge. What are the instruments we are going to introduce? So next, we are coming as a measurement system analysis, MSA. MSA is basically, you can say, whatever the gauges instrument we are using, that is what is the capacity to give a okay result. We are calculating on that. I'll show you. Next is our dimensional results. As per ballooning drawing, we are giving what are the dimensional results we are getting in our sample. Record of material test, RMTC report. This is specify the material testing report. What are the materials we are going to use? What as per spec is available or not. So that's RMTC. Initial process study. We have our critical parameters. We are making as a list what are the critical parameters. So qualified laboratory documents. Here our whatever the gauges instruments we are using, that having a qualified their CMM reports, their calibration report is available on documentation regarding when we are buying a van and carpet, we are getting so many. Next is our appearance approval. Appearance approval report, we are getting what are the we are going to give as like a visual things, no scratches, no dents, and all. We are mentioning on that. Next is our master sample. We are making a sign off with the supplier and customer both. So this is our master sample. Like that only, we are going to submit our sample from next lot also. Here is checking ads. In checking ads, we are mentioning what are the for every dimension what kind of instrument we are going to use. Like the attribute gauge we will use, variable gauges we are going to use, by CMM we are going to measure. So many things we are mentioning here for checking ads. Next, our part submission warrant (PSW). This is the most important thing when we are going to submit our product. Here we are mentioning everything. What are the how many quantities we are going to produce in a one shift? What are our production capacity and all we are mentioning here. Next is agreement of inspection (AOI). AOI is very important. Here we are mentioning all the things like well penetration we are doing, heat treatment, or plating test. What are the dimension we are going to check? In what are the frequency? Also, I'll give you introduction about this in component supply chain chart. What is component supply chain chart? CSCC, here we are mentioning, if suppose that our customer, we are a supplier, we have our sub supplier also. So giving a list, this is the final product, what is the complete supply chain. Next, customer specific requirement. Different customer having different requirements. So generally they are asking for packing standards and weight calculations. Packing standard we are going to mention, we are going to send our product in bins, trolleys, and what condition we are going to send, what the trolley capacity and all. And weight calculation, say it is we are taking our 10 parts, we are calculating a final part. This is our weight calculation. We are comparing with our drawing, what are the drawing spec and what are our final product. So thanks a lot.